Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. The market is still in anticipation mode in a holding pattern. Looks as if Solana is in a holding pattern, yeah, so it's not doing much. It's coming down, but it's not coming down in an impulsive manner. That keeps the door open for our short-term bullish scenario. Let's talk about the two again. For anybody who's new, and also we'll put some labels onto the chart here, some micro structure labels. I think there are just a few levels that are really relevant. So first of all, it's this week's low. So once the price breaks below this week's low, and I'm talking about a decisive break, and it's now at $86.70, it would definitely keep the door open, or it would definitely open the trapdoor, you could say, for lower prices here in this larger degree fourth wave. Okay, so that level, ideally to keep the door open for higher in our short-term bullish case, I would really like the market to hold this week's low. So what's the short-term bullish case anyway? So first of all, the market obviously, and I only want to focus on the short term because in the previous video today, or actually it was yesterday, we focused on the long term or the larger time frame. We can do that again in the next video. But the idea is that a third wave possibly topped here. That's the short-term bearish one. Short-term bullish one is we get one more high, one more marginally higher high in this third wave. And these are the two scenarios. They are both, however, part of the same larger degree scenario in which we should expect a fourth wave at some point and then a larger fifth wave still for another higher high. The only question is, okay, has this wave 4 already started or not? The longer this sideways correction takes, the more likely I think it gets that we are already in the yellow wave 4. It would get even clearer with a break below that $86.60, $86.70 level. The move down, however, so far is corrective, so only in 3 waves. As long as we only have a 3-wave pullback, we also can consider the white wave count. Okay, I would still like to see it at this stage. That might change at some point if the structure starts to look a bit messy. So what do we need to see? So for the short-term bullish scenario to $135 and plus, what do I need to see? I need to see, first of all, the price break above resistance. We've got Fibonacci resistance here at $116.60. Once the price makes a decisive move above that level, that would rather shift probabilities further towards the white count. If we then afterwards get a corrective pullback, so basically what needs to happen? First of all, ABC to the upside, A wave, B wave, C wave in a larger A wave. Then, if the pullback is corrective, we can carry on with the white count. So corrective means we have a 3-wave move. And then we should see 5 waves up in the white count in the C wave. Okay, so that would be how the white count would be fulfilled. The B wave pullback then could be a setup to trade wave C to the upside to $135 plus. Yeah, that's one way of doing it. Obviously now we already have a deep pullback, so the market has now retraced 78% roughly of the rally this week. So I mean, if it turns to the upside, it should really do it very soon. And yeah, so if we get another A wave up, or if we complete the A wave to the upside, then get a B wave pullback, that C wave could be a potential opportunity, even though, you know, it's not a great setup. It's just trading the last bit of this move. But if the yellow count plays out, then it would also possibly be another move up, ideally staying below $116.60. And if we then see not a corrective pullback, but an impulsive move down, which would be a 5-wave move down and a corrective rally, 5 waves always go into the trend direction. So it would indicate the trend is down. And then a corrective rally, this could be a short trade setup. Okay, and then this would confirm further the yellow count. So it's literally waiting for the next moves to clarify the market. Both possibilities, okay, both are possible. I would still like to see another another high, but obviously probabilities are very dynamic on the smaller time frames. So in every video, I try to give you an updated view. That might change in the next few days, depending on what the market does. For now, I would still like to see another high, but as I said, there are some clear signals of the market that I'm waiting for to get more clarity. You know, that the market needs to clarify its intentions. And bear in mind, there's also a descending trend line that we can watch for potential reaction should the market approach it. And yeah, overall, besides that, situation is pretty much unchanged. It was a boring Saturday. Let's see how the Sunday is going to be. And I think next week will be quite explosive across the market. You know, a lot of volatility is expected. That's my update about Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.